Have you been experiencing shortness of breath, a persistent cough, or fatigue? You may have a chest infection. You're not alone. Chest infections are common. They often follow the flu or a cold. Symptoms can be severe or mild. Natural treatments can help. We'll cover 7 methods to clear your lungs. Let's get into it. Try the classic lemon and honey solution. Sipping on this mix is a widely used home remedy. It alleviates sore throat symptoms. Honey reduces cough due to its properties. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and boosts immunity. Mix 1 tablespoon each of lemon juice and honey in warm water. Drink it in the morning for best results. Stay hydrated to treat a chest infection. Over 70% of the human body is water. Dehydration thickens lung mucus, making it harder to cough up. Chest infections often occur in the dry winter season. Drink at least 3 liters of water daily. Number 3, utilize humidity and steam inhalation. Dryness worsens chest infection symptoms. Humidity and steam soothe airways. Humidifiers disperse steam for relief or take a hot shower for natural steam. Number 4, try herbal remedies from the ginger family. Ginger is great for chest infections. It has bioactive components and antioxidants. Ginger also has anti-inflammatory properties. Add ginger to your diet or tea. Number 5, use natural essential oils. Essential oils like eucalyptus, lemongrass, rosemary, and sandalwood can help treat chest infections. Use them via inhalation or as a natural vapor rub. Aromatherapy can reduce nasal congestion and cough spasms. Apply vapor rub to your chest and back for relief. Number 6, remove mucus through postural drainage. Chest infections cause mucus buildup, leading to discomfort and shortness of breath. Coughing helps, but sometimes it's not enough. Postural drainage uses gravity to clear mucus. Lie with hips elevated to drain mucus upwards. Consult a doctor before trying this technique. Consider taking over-the-counter medications for severe symptoms. They come in forms like vapor rubs, pain relievers, and decongestants. Vapor rubs provide quick relief from chest congestion. Pain relievers like ibuprofen help with fever and pain. Decongestants clear airways and come in sprays, drops, and tablets. Always consult a physician about dosages and risks. So there you have it. Natural remedies can help mitigate chest infection symptoms. Always consult your doctor for appropriate medical advice. Avoid smoking and maintain proper hygiene. Practice social distancing to prevent spreading infections. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more. Check out our channel for more lung care tips. That's it for this one. Breathe easy, my friends.